Hey guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as we all know, it's Pride Month and there are rainbow makeup looks everywhere. So I decided to do a little spin on it. Instead of doing one makeup look, I decided to break the rainbow down into all its colors and create a single tone look every day for a couple of days. I already did red, orange and yellow, and today we're going to be creating a look using green. So let's get right into this video. So I already did my brows. Now I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro concealer in pure beige to prep my lids. Okay, so from my makeup professional palette, I'm taking this section with all the green, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, place this all over my lid. You guys already know that I tried the green makeup challenge, so if you haven't seen that, you can go check it out. This will be another version. Next, I'm taking this shade right here to blend the edges. So now I'm going to take this palette right here, this light brown shade. I'm going to smoke out the green a little. Next, taking this darker brown. Now I'm just going to take some of my concealer, the same shade, pure beige. So now I'm just going to place this shade Diablo from the Disney Villains Misunderstood palette. I'm just blending the edges. Next, liner, using my Inglot liquid liner. So, next up, onto the rest of my face. Foundation. My concealer. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder, and I'm going to take some of this classic makeup pressed powder. This shade is Pure Light. You guys, this setting powder still scares me because it's so yellow, like physically. Next, contour with my Jordana Forever Flawless pressed powder. This shade is Warm Cocoa. On my nose, this little brush. So now I'm going to go over my whole face with this classic makeup pressed powder. This shade is Light. I'm already tearing up. Now I'm just going to do a little inner corner highlight. I'm using my Baked Blush Goddess from Beauty UK. The same for my cheeks. For my lips, I'm going to use this Eveline liner. I'm using this because I don't have any green lipstick. I'm going to add this Dr. Facilier Creme Lip from Colourpop. Last but not least, so guys, yeah, this is a finished look, and I think this is more than enough green for me, for anyone. But I think it's okay. I think I did good, considering you guys already know green is not my favorite color. As for the lips, I already said I don't have any green lipstick, so I just used the lipstick I had. I just didn't want to do a nude lip. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comments section. If you haven't already, please turn on the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye.